Introducing the all-new REI Cloud mobile inspection app. Designed for the modern property manager, it brings the full power of your trust accounting software directly to your palm. Start your day with a clear view. Your home dashboard shows exactly what's next on your schedule, with real-time stats to keep your portfolio on track. Our intuitive room-by-room breakdown tracks your progress as you go. Use smart bulk actions to verify cleanliness, condition, and working order in a single tap. Capture high-res photos instantly. Our integrated gallery organizes every shot by room, so your evidence is always exactly where it needs to be. Don't wait until you're back at the office. Log maintenance tasks on the spot, set due dates, and add notes while the issue is right in front of you. Wrap up with digital signatures from tenants and agents on site. Once you're done, one tap syncs everything back to REI Cloud. No cables, no manual uploads, no double handling. REI Cloud, mobile inspections, mastered. Contact our team today and experience the difference.